Ever notice how testosterone replacement therapy sounds life-changing but feels underwhelming for a lot of guys? That gap isn't random. It's a missing stack, and we are fixing that today. I'm Jay Patel, certified PA. This channel is about metabolic health, hormones, peptides, and functional medicine education. So why testosterone by itself isn't enough? Most people think testosterone is just about muscle and sex drive. But people who actually optimize their testosterone starts noticing way more than that. Their energy gets better, their mood stabilizes, their brain feels sharper, their waistline changes, their sleep improves. And that's because testosterone isn't a sex hormone, it's the metabolic hormone. Testosterone affects how your body stores fat, how it keeps muscle, how insulin works, how dopamine works, how confident you feel, how resilient your body is to stress. So testosterone works best when the rest of the system is supported, not when you are just throwing it at the broken system and hoping for it to work best. Alright, so the first step. And yeah, it's the boring one, but it's also the one that makes or breaks everything else. Testosterone with lifestyle support. This is for the guys saying, I'm on testosterone but I'm still tired. My lab looks amazing but I feel the same. My body hasn't changed at all. My belly fat's still here. Here is the deal. Testosterone raises the signal, but lifestyle determines how your body responds to that signal. If your protein intake is trash, testosterone can't build muscle. If your sleep sucks, testosterone can't stabilize your mood. If you're not lifting, testosterone has nowhere to go. This tech isn't sexy, but it is a foundation. And when it's missing, everything else underperforms. Step 2. Okay. Now we are getting into the good stuff. Testosterone plus growth hormone support. This is one of the most powerful combo in hormone medicine. Here is why. Testosterone builds structure. Growth hormone drives repair and fat loss. One tells your body to build muscle. The other tells your body to release fat and heal tissue. People who crush it with this tech are the ones saying, I got stronger but my belly didn't change. I feel more muscular but still soft. My recovery is so slow. I wake up tired no matter how much I sleep. Testosterone alone can build muscle, but it doesn't touch visceral fat very well. Growth hormone signaling helps pull fat off your belly and keeps your muscle intact. Together, people notice is way deeper sleep, faster recovery. Waistline actually starts shrinking. Workout starts working again. This is the body recomposition, not just getting bigger. This one's huge right now. Testosterone plus GLP-1 medications like semaglutide, trizepatide. This tech is for guys saying, I'm strong, but I'm still overweight. I can't control my appetite. I'm hungry literally all the time. My doctor said I have insulin resistance. Testosterone builds muscle and confidence. GLP-1 controls appetite and fixes insulin. One supports output. The other controls input. When testosterone is used alone in insulin-resistant guys, fat loss is usually disappointing. When GLP-1 is used alone, muscle loss and fatigue are common. But together, weight comes down, muscle stays on, energy stays stable. This tech is perfect if you want fat loss without losing muscle, better blood sugar control, something you can actually stick with long term. This tech is for people dealing with stubborn fat and metabolic issue. This is for people saying, I gain fat so easily. My lab says insulin resistance. I crash after every meal. My energy is all over the place. Testosterone improves muscle and drive. Metabolic peptide improves how your cell actually uses fuel. This helps reduce fat storage, improve insulin sensitivity, stabilize energy throughout the day. This tech is about making your body better at using food instead of just storing it. This one's for guys who train hard or just feel beat up by life. You know who you are. My joint hurts. I can't recover from workout anymore. I get injured so easily now. My body just feels fragile. Testosterone helps build tissue. Recovery peptides help heal tissue. Together, you get way less soreness, faster recovery between sessions, more consistent training. And consistency is literally what changes your body. Now this tech is underrated. Testosterone plus cognitive and mood support. For the guy saying my testosterone up but my mood is still flat. My motivation is gone. I feel mentally exhausted. Testosterone affects dopamine and confidence. Neurosupportive peptides affect focus and stress response. And together, people feel more drive, better mood, clearer thinking, more mental energy. This isn't just about how you look. It's about how you feel. Okay, the biggest mistake people make with testosterone, they expect it to fix everything. Their sleep, their diet, their stress, their workout, their metabolism, their recovery. That's not what testosterone does. Testosterone amplifies what you are already doing. If your system is broken, it amplifies dysfunction. If your system is supported, it amplifies results. You can't out-hormone a trash lifestyle. Another huge mistake that I see on regular basis. Chasing higher and higher levels. Bro, my total test is 1200. I'm crushing it. Cool. But how do you feel? Better is not higher. Better is better energy, better sleep, better body composition, better labs, better mood. Hormones are signals, not trophies. Here is what we use in our clinic on regular basis. Low dose long-term strategy. The goal isn't to shock your system. The goal is to restore normal physiology. Sometimes slower changes gives you way better long-term results than aggressive changes. That's not being weak. That's being precise. The future of hormone therapy isn't testosterone alone. It's a system-based optimization. Hormones, metabolism, recovery, nutrition, sleep, training. That's how people actually change, not just one injection and hope for the best. If you take one thing from this video, it's this. Testosterone doesn't change your body by itself. It changes how your body responds to everything else you do. That's why stacking works. Not because it's more extreme, because it's more complete. If you've been frustrated because testosterone didn't give you the body or energy you expected, it's probably not the hormone. It's the missing piece around it. If this video helps you see testosterone differently, hit that subscribe button. If you know someone who is on TRT but still feels stuck, send them this video. And if you want real science-based info on hormones, peptides, and metabolic health, you are in the right spot. I'll see you in the next one.